Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. We are pro. We are finally pro. It happened around 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. So some of you probably noticed that already, but this tutorial is going to walk you through cloud recording and setting that up and what that looks like. So let's walk through, make sure it's important that you have your settings correct, and I'm going to talk about them and why we're using them. So let's go ahead and get started. I am at zoom.com. I'm going to really recommend you want to go to the website, not in the app for this. So we're going to be in the website. I'm at Zoom. I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to click on my account. In your account, down on the left-hand side, we're going to go to settings, and you should, once you click on settings, have a new tab up here, and it says recording. So I am then going to click on recording. These should be set for you. We set some defaults, but just in case they're not, I want to go through each and talk about them. And you'll just want to bring yours up and make sure they match mine. So you want to turn local recording off. We don't want you recording locally anymore or even having the option because you know what a headache that was. You do want to make sure that cloud recording is on. You want to record active speaker with shared screen. So that's important. You want to be, have it be you, not the gallery view of students. We really want you to record that active speaker. Leave the next 3 blank. And again, these should be checked for you. We suggest you have it save the chat messages from the meeting right away for you if you need them later. Add a timestamp to the recording that will give us a date and time of things that are happening in there. Record thumbnails when sharing, so that will record your video of you talking when you're sharing your screen, and an audio transcript. So that is, will give us a transcript of any of the text or the talking happening during your meeting. And we'd like you to download that as well. You won't need it right away, but just in case, we want to be able to have it. You want, we're letting this one up to you. Automatic recording, I'm having mine off. I don't want it to automatically record every time I go in the meeting. If you don't want to record the greetings or the first few minutes of class, or if you're having other meetings in Zoom, you don't want it to automatically record everything. That's your call. But if you're one of those people that forget to record all the time, maybe this will work for you to have it on. Next one, don't worry about this IP address, off. This is important. We want only authenticated users viewing cloud recordings. We want that on. We don't want these videos, who knows, that shared with others and given links to others. We want only my Exeter folks to be able to view them. And I have a video, and it will be in this email and in the written directions with a link to what that looks like for students, and it walks them through if you'd like to share with them how to view a recording and how to log in with their Google account to view that recording. So if we keep coming down, because we're requiring authentication, we are not going to require a passcode. So you can turn that require passcode off. We don't want you to let Zoom auto delete cloud recording, so turn that off. This you can't change. You'll see I'm not allowed to change it, so just leave that be. You do not need a recording disclaimer. And we suggest multiple audio notifications of recorded meetings. It's playing that notification for folks if they enter your meeting late for some reason. It will play that for them. So those are the settings. Definitely check those to make sure they match. There's also a document, so you don't have to pause this video constantly, that has all the settings if you want to compare them. Let's now take a look at your recordings. When you record in the cloud, when you come to recordings, you'll see by default it is on cloud recordings. You can still access those old local recordings if you have them and they're working, but this is cloud recordings. I recorded just a brief snippet today so that I would have something to show you from here to share it with your students. If I click share, again, check these settings. We do not want these public. This should come up automatically because we've created that setting that only authenticated users can view, and then turn all these off. You don't need to add an expiry date because size-wise, they're going to expire on their own. We do not want folks downloading videos. Don't worry about on demand. We don't want them passcode protected. So again, only authenticated users, sharing is on, the rest are off. From here to grab the link, if I copy sharing information, it'll copy all of this, and I just want the actual link. So I'm going to highlight that and copy it. And now I can come to Schoology and I can add that in the folder. I'm obviously just going to put it here for an example, but you want to put it inside the folder of the day the recording occurred. I'm going to make a link. I'll put that link in here. I'm going to title it Friday morning meeting, maybe it was. And I'm going to turn this off just like I do with any other link, so it launches it right away, and click add. When students click on that, if they have not logged into Zoom, they will be required to log in with their Google account. And again, I have a video I will share with you for that, but they must log in with their Google account. So moms and dads, and we need to communicate this, moms and dads can't log in to see it with their account. They need to log in. If moms and dads are helping their little ones, it has to be logged in with the student account. As always, if you have questions, please do let us know. Have a great day.